Can you install macOS on an AMD PC? I honestly have no idea, so let's find out. Alright, so this is no way a tutorial. I will make a tutorial after I figure out what to do specifically, so you can try and follow along if you'd like, but don't blame me if you fail epically like I might. Nonetheless, let's get started. I first found a website with instructions on how to make a bootable USB drive. I used a software called Transmac to write the download image to my 16GB USB drive. It completed successfully, so I signed out and rebooted into my BIOS. I tried booting into the USB drive in UEFI mode and Legacy, but it either didn't work or crashed trying. I remember that on the Reddit post I originally got this idea from, that the instructions said to load defaults in the BIOS and disable and enable other things like CPU virtualization and set a mode to AHCI. There are also some Intel specific settings that I ignored because I have a Ryzen 3, not a Core i3. After doing that, I saved everything and tried to boot from the USB again, but no luck. Apparently, I was following the steps for an Intel installation because if you haven't noticed, all Apple products are either powered by an Intel CPU or an Apple one. I know my plans can't be ruined because in the earlier 2000s, I remember seeing an iMac being powered by an Opteron processor by, you guessed it, AMD. So after doing a quick search, I found a video giving detailed instructions and a website with the operating system. I downloaded uTorrent to get the file, and after maybe 10 or so minutes, it was ready. I went back to Transmac, selected the new .dmg file, and waited for it to do its thing. After that, I made sure my drive was in a USB 3 port, and I enabled legacy settings in my BIOS, and made sure my SATA mode is AHCI. This time it actually booted, but it gave me this error message instead. This probably isn't a problem, but I found out that integrated AMD graphics aren't supported, and I can't tell if a dedicated AMD card will work because I sold my RX 560, and I don't have an Nvidia card lying around either, so for now, I have to push this project aside. Hopefully, I'll figure it out, but anyways, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you didn't, you know where to go. While you're there, consider subscribing to the channel. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you later.